the difference between vessel and ship? When do we use vessel and when to use ship? General meaning. 1. Vessel. A broad legal and technical term that refers to any watercraft capable of floating and navigating on water. This includes ships, boats, barges, yachts, submarines, fishing crafts, hovercrafts, offshore rigs when afloat, etc. The word vessel is often used in maritime law, insurance, and regulatory documents because it is an all-encompassing term. 2. Ship. A specific type of vessel, generally large, seagoing, self-propelled, designed for carrying cargo, passengers, or performing special operations. For example, warship, tanker, cruise ship, usually implies ocean-going craft, not just any floating object. Ship is often used in everyday conversation and in professional contexts when referring to large vessels. Legal professional usage. In International Maritime Organization, IMO, SOLAS, MARPOL, and class rules, the term ship is often used when discussing safety, environmental rules, and technical standards. For example, every ship shall be provided with, in contracts, admiralty law, and marine insurance, the term vessel is preferred because it legally covers all floating craft, not just ocean-going ships. Practical examples. Use vessel when talking about maritime law or classification. All vessels above 500 GT must comply with ISM code. Referring to watercraft in general, the port can accommodate 200 vessels. In formal legal documents, the vessel shall be delivered to the charterer in seaworthy condition. Use ship when talking about a large ocean-going craft. The ship is sailing from Singapore to Rotterdam. In daily speech, he works on a ship. For specific types, warship, container ship, cruise ship, tanker ship. Simple way to remember. Every ship is a vessel, but not every vessel is a ship. Just like every square is a rectangle, but not every rectangle is a square. Thanks for listening and watching. Please subscribe, comment, and like video if you see it useful.